action.
Oh, hi everyone. I was just reading this book, Glad Monster, Sad Monster. And I'm on the page where the monster says, the red monster says, being bugged by a bug. Bzzz. Getting splashed. Psh. Oh, look at his face. Being laughed at when I fall down. And having someone knock over my blocks makes me angry. Oh, he does look angry, doesn't he? And here's the angry mask. I get angry sometimes too. We all do. And sometimes when we get angry, it starts on our toes and it goes all the way up and we feel like we're gonna explode. We're so angry. We do. It's like a volcano. Let me show you what I mean. This is my feeling volcano that I made. Here's all the dirt and everything we need. And in it are our feelings. We say, when we make our volcano, we say our feelings are the vinegar. And I'm going to put them in there. There we go. We put in our feelings. Right. And I'm going to make our feelings the color red today. Come on in so you can see it right in there. Can you see the red? Yeah. So, this volcano, inside we have our feelings. And things happen, and this is what we're going to use. Baking soda. Because things happen a lot to us. Some baking soda. And we can say like the monster said, things like people knocking down our blocks or being splashed or being laughed at when we don't like it, and that makes us angry. And it adds up. Come on in close so you can see it. Things start to bubble up. Oh, and we like explode like a volcano. Right? Sometimes that's not good. Because we say and do things that we know we shouldn't. So I have an idea. This is something that a friend taught me. It's called a volcano breath. That you can do to get out those feelings inside and let them out. And you start like this. Put your hands in. You jump out because it feels real big. And you take a deep breath in. And blow it out. Let's try it again. You start in. Make yourselves real big. Take a deep breath in. Let's do one more time. Can help to get all that feelings of you have inside that feel like it's gonna burst it and get it out of you in a good way. So use that volcano breath to make you feel better when you're angry. Nice to see you today. I'm gonna go play. Bye.